Okay.
Muganga gakondo yakuzaniye umuti ugaruza ibyibwe utiriwe uruha. Si ngombwa kwirirwa ujya aho ari, arabikugarurira akagufasha kumenya niba ukunda gukunda koko cyangwa se guca inyuma. Muganga gakondo kandi atanga ubutunzi. Muganga gakondo atanga uruhereko n'umuti weza umurima. Atanga umuti ku bakobwa babuze abagabo, umuti uvura inyatsi, umuti wo kwihorera ku mwanzi wawe. Muganga gakondo kandi arakuvura amarozi y'ubwoko bwose, amahuherano, ubutegano, uburyano, ndetse akanagutsirika ku buryo uburozi bugutinya. Muganga gakondo atanga uruhereko cyangwa umurinzi w'umurima. Akoresha imbaraga z'abakurambere, aragufasha wowe urwara igifu, impyiko, diabete, kuri mihango, guca imyeyo, ababuze urubyaro ndetse n'abarwaye asima n'izindi ndwara zose zitandukanye. Kandi aho waba ari hose aragufasha. Muhamagara cyangwa mwandikire kuri WhatsApp kuri nimero ikubona kuri screen yawe. Muganga gakondo aragufasha.
Let me take a picture. Take it back. Over here.
This is good. You didn't make one for Indian Ash?
This is for him.
Oh, it's him, right?
So you
Take a picture.
In this thing.
Hold it to him.
Yeah. This one is
Ready? Thank you, bro. Hey, brother, fast. Picture, ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much, brother. Oh, enjoy it? Love, brother. Love. Wanda! Hey, come on. Wanda! Hey, come on. Wanda! Oh, you a hooper? Oh, you good? You hoop? That's good, you hoop too? Security, back up. Back them all up. Let's get a group picture with all the kids behind you. Yeah. Okay. Let's stop. Behind the leg. Hey, if you want a picture with ASHTON, get behind. If you want a picture, get behind. Get behind. In the back. Yeah, in the back. All in the back. All in the back. All in the back. There you go. Yeah.
Nice one.
See if I still got it, right? I gotta make one of these for the kids. Who's there? Why didn't you do that?
One more. One more. Jeez. Dudes, man. You caught it, bro. You caught it, man.
Take a picture. We're gonna take a picture. All the kids.
Sasa. Ciao, papa.
The kids. When you're the kids.
Let's get it. 3.
Put it inside, okay?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, we're not doing all that. Let's do an activity.
Thank you.
You want me to call them? Okay.
Yeah, bring them here.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah? Him. Ashton, are you ready? Ashton, be ready.
Let's go. Oh, he's nice. Hey! Hey, he's nice, though. Back up a little bit, back up a little bit.
Yeah.
Hey, boys, back up a little bit. Hey, look, everybody should just get one shot to score. So he gets one and then the next person. All right. You get one try, and then we get the next person. ball. Did he go already? He looked like he could ball. Alright, love. Billy, where we going next? Billy.
Thank you. He said I could be the next.
Hey, Bill. Alright, look, this is what we'll do. We'll go 3 versus 1.
Yo, brother.
Check, the goal is 3 versus 1. Wait, you are quick.
How are you doing?
Alright, I get ball though.
You go?
So I gotta play against me. 3. Y'all play defense. Y'all 3, go ahead.
Pass.